Welcome back to Momentum Trades. Today we are going to talk about Nifty, Bank Nifty, how it performed on Friday, and I'm going to give you two stocks for buy and two stocks for sell. So let's continue. And if you have not subscribed for my channel, do subscribe, like and comment. So as you can see, Nifty chart is right open. Here we do see a major trend line which has been broken by Nifty. So Nifty started somewhere with a gap up, and you can see after the gap up it went till here, could not sustain the gap up, fell almost 250 to 300 points. If you look at it from the day's high, which is 360 plus, it went to 060, which is 300 points. So somewhere you can see that Nifty went weak on Friday. Coming to Bank Nifty did not do a real gap up as in sense, but then again still it also did a similar trend, followed the Nifty, went till here, and from here days high it fell till here. So you can see this was a 650 to 700 points fall. So if you compare, Nifty fell much higher when compared to Bank Nifty in this case. And the similar story, there was a trend line here, and after this trend line broke, it fell continuously and continuously kept on falling. And you might have seen yesterday in the previous video how we could capture this particular double top that was formed in Bank Nifty. And hope you enjoyed that video. Coming to our buy stocks for the day, first and foremost important stock was Tata Motors. Tata Motors started with a gap up, okay, and went further up. It fell, but did it break the previous swing low of yesterday? The answer is no. Even below, even if it was coming below that, there was only wicks that we can see here. So I see Tata Motors very strong. As soon as it crosses 439 or 450, you can immediately go into a buy position, and the buy position will look something like this, friends. Your long position should start somewhere at 439. Stop loss will be very small. We are not going to take this swing low as stop loss. We are going to take the previous swing low as stop loss, which would be somewhere here at 35. This swing is what we are considering. So at 435 is our stop loss, and we are expecting a target, not this one but somewhere here. So that is bringing to a very good risk reward ratio of 1.83. You can consider taking small exits at 445 446 levels. Coming to the next buying stock, story is similar with Dr. Reddy's, wherein it gave a gap up, continued to move up, then it came down a little and closed here. If you can see, the previous swing low was somewhere here. It could not come to that point in spite of Bank Nifty and Nifty falling so much that I just mentioned shortly. So here also we can create a long position. We can take a buy immediately at 4160. And coming to our stop loss would be the previous swing low, which is here. This would be around 4,112.13, and our target will be above or very close to the day's high, somewhere here, because here we see there was a kind of a peak that again came down. So let's not target for the top. We will take an exit somewhere here. So this is also bringing it to a ratio of 1:1.7. I would prefer to go with 1:1.5 risk to reward, because there was a long time where market spent here, a long time that market spent here. So even this would be a good place to exit. That bringing us to a 1:1.22. I would suggest you to look at the candles at this particular levels and then trail stop loss accordingly if required. The reason why I'm telling that is because this is very close to something called a head and shoulder. But not exactly a head and shoulder. So it will definitely make this particular high if it is starting to go up. Coming to the next stock, that is Adani Ports. I see a little downward or a selling trend here because Adani Ports started a journey here, fell down, straight down. There was no looking back. Again it came up till here and again fell down. So I see a trend which is downwards here. Here a position can be taken immediately. Okay, so our trade would look something like this. It would be a short immediately at this levels with this swing high as our stop loss, and we will try to attain a 1:1.5 as a target. 1:1.5 is close to this. So our entry would be at or below 860 levels. 870 would be our stop loss, and we are ready to achieve around 850 or 845 as targets. You can see that is clearly at this particular support zone, because this support zone is already almost there. So this support zone, as soon as this support zone is broken, it would be very easy to achieve this particular support. Next stock is ONGC. Even in ONGC you can see it started here, continuously fell. So if I draw this very neatly, you can see it came down, retraced, came down, retraced, came down, retraced, came down, retraced. Now what is the next thing that is going to happen? You can just put that in the comment section that I am talking about. Anyways, the position would be short again at the retracement levels, which is the current level. Our stop loss is here below the previous swing, above the previous swing, and our target is, if you can look friends, there is no levels downwards. Okay, as there are no levels downwards, we are going to simply put a target of 1:1.5 considering the previous stop loss, which would be looking something like this. So our entry would be 161ish, 163, 164 will be our stop loss, and 158 will be the target. Let's hope all these targets are met tomorrow. Anyways, do enjoy and continue trading. Hope you like the video. Do subscribe, comment and like the channels.